can imagine some sort of beast existing around Porth, what would it be?
I'd have to say a griffin. Atop of the buildings looking down and protecting
as the
the protector of Porth. So the griffin, I know it sounds kind of, weird, but it keeps the bad vibes away. And the bad energy would be people putting other people down. And they always protect the good side. So it's just like, ta-da!
Whoa. It'll have to be something living in the hills, right? Just something that lives on the top of the hills, comes down into town, wreaks havoc. I'm loving this question. This is great. Yeah, why does it wreak havoc though? Why does it come and excuse my language, why does it come and mess things up in the town? What's the beast got against the town? Maybe the beast thinks we've spoilt the land or something, I don't know.
Someone to clean all the rubbish up.
Yeah.
A vulture.
Yeah. Someone to clean all the rubbish up and attack all those that keep chucking rubbish everywhere.
There we go! The collective imagination is taking us to Bigfoot. I feel like the carbon emission of this town won't be as bad as other towns, but maybe it's just angry at us. You say a wolf?
Yeah, a bit more wild than England, isn't it? It's a semi-passive wolf. It's not a nasty wolf, it's a semi-passive wolf. Semi-feral, semi-domesticated. That's how I think of the valleys.
Really?
This part here is obviously an eagle, as you can tell by the claws and the mouth, and then the eagle wings. And then this part here represents, a lion. So it's got the strong eagle part there, that's usually proud, and then you got the lion, which is courage. I'd say the wings represent freedom, because when you've got wings, you feel like you can do anything, and you can go anywhere. It's like sort of like a metaphor, really, that you feel free. With the brown, as I said, with the messy colouring, it represents the buildings because some of the paint is chipped on the buildings as well, and also it sort of represents fur with the way that I've done it. As I said, you see the white coming through, you can see the plain parts of the buildings coming off when the paint's chipped. Yeah. So then I've done the wings as plain to represent other parts, like the top parts of the buildings where they're the most plain, and the feet represent the ground because you plant yourself obviously on your feet.